Hello, my name is Anna, and in this video I will show you a special function of Trados Team, meaning that here a translation memory and a translation engine can have multiple language pairs. This function is not available on Trados Studio, where for each translation memory you can only have one source and one target language. So we go in Resources, Linguistic Resources, Translation Memory, New Translation Memory. We put the name music, for example. Then the location will be playground in this case, and I will choose a source language, English. United Kingdom in this case, to French, France, and click on plus. Then we select another language pair, French, to Spanish, and plus to edit, and one more, for example, from Spanish to Italian. Italy, and we click on plus. For language processing rule and field templates, we will leave the default one and we click on create. Now our translation memory is created. And we can see here on the translation memory list that we have 3 language pairs for our music translation memory. Now we go to create a new turn base with the same name, same location, and same languages. Okay, next. Create from scratch. We go and add our 4 languages, English, then we add French, then Spanish, and Italian. We click on next. Here we leave it by default and create. Now our turn-based music is created. We go in resources, linguistic resources, and translation engine to create a translation engine with multiple language pairs. We will give the name music, the location will be playground, the language processing rule by default, and we select the language pairs. So English, the same as the ones from the translation memory, English, United Kingdom, French, France, add, then we select French, France to Spanish, and edit, and then Spanish, and Italian, Italian, okay, plus, then we go to add a translation memory, the one that we created with several language pair. As you can see, is the only one proposed because it's the only one that corresponds to our translation engine language pairs, and click on add. Then we scroll down and go to the turn bases and add my turn base, add turn bases, and then we go to create the translation engine. During the translation process, we will see how to use this translation engine with multiple language files.